I grew up on the south side of Fort Wayne, and my mom, when I was a little bit younger before she became a teacher, we definitely, didn't have access to the most resources, kind of living paycheck to paycheck, just kind of struggling to survive a little bit. But at the root of that was always, my family, my mom, my dad, my siblings. We always had each other, and we always had a set of parents who believed in us and who had high expectations for us in school, and in making sure we're meeting those expectations and creating a good reputation for ourselves and for our family. Throughout that process, I know, I loved sports, but just like now, sports haven't always been that accessible in terms of the upper level training and things like that. So, you get to play in the leagues around town that are affordable, but when you have a dream or desire to go to a little bit of a higher level, sometimes, the affordable leagues kind of put you behind in terms of development and accessibility to future opportunities with something you love. I fortunately had the opportunity to kind of get to play some travel ball once I got into my middle school years, but primarily, I grew up on the Little League at Foster Park and learning to play baseball and softball there. And I actually first was introduced to kind of basketball at the Boys and Girls Club, and then kind of really fell in love with that at Fairfield, where I had an opportunity to play in 5th grade, and then it kind of took off from there.